Install the stain-proof and color-perfect grout. Fusion Pro from Custom Building Products. Accept no imitations. Fusion Pro's patented single-component grout technology delivers unsurpassed stain resistance, protecting against common stains like mildew, coffee, and oils. It never needs to be sealed, saving time and reducing tile maintenance for years to come. Fusion Pro is easy to spread and clean. Apply it right out of the pail. There's no mixing required, and its smooth, creamy texture is similar to cement grouts. Plus, its ultimate color consistency gives you even color from bucket to bucket. Unlike cement grouts, it's warranted to dry to a perfect color without efflorescence, mottling, fading, or color shading in the grout joint. Use versatile Fusion Pro on floors or walls, indoors or outdoors, and on residential or commercial projects with joint sizes from 1/16 to 1/2 inch. A palette of 40 designer-inspired colors complements today's tile trends to enhance beautiful tile installations. Custom also offers the Fusion Pro Designer Series with 8 additional reflective color accents. Inspired by natural minerals, they dazzle, accentuate, and beautify tile while providing all the same Fusion Pro performance benefits. When Fusion Pro is installed with a qualifying system of Custom's eligible surface preparation and tile setting products, the entire installation qualifies for up to a lifetime system warranty. Fusion Pro, the everyday high-performance grout that's stain-proof and color-perfect. Ask for it where you buy grout or discuss it with your tile professional. For more information, visit custombuildingproducts.com.